I'm Anjali from Atrangi Studio. We at Atrangi Studio hand paint home decor, lifestyle and gifting accessories. Today we'll be making tassels. Tassels are extremely versatile in use and can be made very easily.
So, let's get started. You need colored thread or wool, a cardboard or card, and a pair of scissors. Take a piece of cardboard or card of the desired length of the tassel. Using the thread or wool, start wrapping around the card like this. Wrap it around enough times to get a bushy tassel. Using the two loose ends of the thread, tie a knot to hold the tassel in place. Once the knot is secured, remove the cardboard. Wrap same or another colored thread around like this and secure a knot once you achieve the required width. Cut the opposite ends of the thread in the middle. Just comb it. Cut to level the edges. And your tassel's ready. You can make it into a pillow fringe, keychain charm, curtain holder, and more. If you try making these at home, do share a picture with us. Please follow us on Atrangi Studio for more such tutorials.